Daddy. Yeah, can you? Oh my God, these are, dang, they grow like crazy. I have a knife here. Oh my God. One here. Poor malunggay tree, moringa. That one right there. We had one here before, right? There was one here that I didn't harvest.
Oh yes, that was the one that seeded, and I put it in there.
Oh, okay, good. This one, Daddy. This one right here. Here. That one, big one. Careful because...
You want the big one?
This... Oh, this big one? Oh my God, it's... Oh my God.
Why don't you just let it go to seed, because this put good seeds. Which other one do you want? You want these two?
This one. Just let it go big. We ate that one first.